Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another review. This one happens to be from the Dollar Tree, and I have a few different canvases that I'm going to show here. And this one is a 5x7. It's the stretched canvas. And it does say 100% natural cotton canvas, excellent for oil or acrylic paints. And then over here, 3 of them come in a set. So there's 3, and these are a little bit smaller. These are a 4x6. And these are not the stretched though. As you can see, these are just the skinny boards. And then right here, I tested one out, and this was one for the 8x10. And again, these were all from the Dollar Tree, so they were $1 each. So there was a few different sizes. And as far as quality goes, between these, the board ones, which are, a cheaper canvas to begin with, they're no different than the ones they sell at A.C. Moore. A.C. Moore, Michaels, they're sturdy. The backs look the same. Sometimes you'll see like a small label here that you can write on. But no, they're hard. Like you can't, it's not bending or anything or warped. And I did an acrylic painting on this. This was my Bob Ross inspired tutorial. But everything is pretty standard and normal. I really like the stretched canvas because even with these, then when you're done with your painting, you can do your edges. I know there's a small edge here. You can hang it right up on the wall when you're done, which comes in handy. And even like if you just wanted to practice on some of these smaller canvases, you can, when you're all done, you can still put these in like a 4x6 frame. You can just pop out the glass and set it in, and it should be fine. Definitely, like, it probably won't fit with the glass, so like I said, you would probably have to remove that. And yeah, that's some different options there. And again, as far as quality, it's definitely, the board ones are the same. The stretch canvas, it's decent. It is. There's a little bit of a primer there. You can tell by the color. I mean, for $1, it's definitely worth it. Again, it's pretty tight. It's not buckling or anything. But yeah, overall, for the price, you definitely can't beat it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and be sure to like the video and subscribe.